How to create your account on MT5. So first thing first, let's open the MetaTrader 5 app, and now you can see there is settings option at the bottom right corner of this section. So let's tap on that settings, and now you can see there is new account option at the very top. So let's tap on new account, and you can see there is a meta course limited on the screen. So you need to tap meta course limited. Once you do that, you can see there is demo account at the top. So just tap on it, and you can see you need to enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and so on. So once you complete your credentials, you can see you can modify your server, account type, and leverage and deposit, and so on. So once you complete everything, just enable the accept and simply tap on register once it once the register option is enabled. So just tap on register, and you can see your login ID, your password, and your investor code in here. So you can simply copy it by tapping on copy to clipboard, and you can secure it safely. So once you complete everything, finally tap on start, and yeah, you will be able to create your account on MT5 successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to create your account on MT5. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.